what. Hey everyone, welcome to Tarot Destination. Once again, I am here with your monthly tarot reading. This is the tarot reading for the Aries. So, we are going to check how your August month is going to be Aries. Let's find out what kind of overall energy is approaching, what kind of energies you are going to see in your relationship, and what kind of energies it is coming in the month of August in terms of your career and finance. So this is the first card. It is talking about overall energy of the month, how what kind of energies are approaching. This card is for your relationship and this is for your career and finance. So let's find out what are the cards are talking about for you, Aries. So the energy of the month is Five of Pentacles. Here this energy seems to be very negative. Some changes may come. Might be you may feel financial constraints. You may not be extended help. The quantity or the quality of help which you are looking for, you may not get that. Time seems to be very hard for the Aries. So overall month you may feel kind of stuck. You may feel stagnated, because this is the Taurus energy and it will not allow you to open. So always you will feel something you are missing, and this is basically related to Venus related thing. I feel could be relationship, could be your luxury thing, something like that. Might be you may incur sudden expenses and later on you must be having regret on them. So this is the energy, the overall energy I am seeing. Five of Pentacles. So little care in finances it is required, definitely, because it is a card of Pentacles. But also it is talking about related to asset or something, some tangible asset. Some problem may happen, some conflict may happen, some people may not turn up the way you wanted them to give the result. So such kind of energy I am seeing. Let's move to the relationship front. This is the Nine of Pentacles. Nine of Pentacles energy, when you'll see, the energy seems to be very positive, but somewhere this lady, she is busy in somewhere else, as if she is planning to do something new. Some cycle has completed and something new may start. If someone is expecting during the month, or someone's family, someone is expecting, definitely some positive news will come in that terms. Otherwise it is a Virgo energy, some communication definitely may come. Some balance it is talking about to do in relationship. Could be one person may feel quite overwhelmed at times. They may not able to manage something. Major need to be planned and you are not getting time to do that. So this is the message also this card is giving. So relationship wise, this card is talking about, yes, you have to review your relationship once again. Something might be missing, somewhere you are not paying sufficient attention. So probably someone may need help and they are missing that help. So that review is required in the relationship. This lady, can you see here, she seems to be managed, everything is there, but still she is alone. She doesn't look like very happy. So someone in the family, or it could be you only, may be feeling quite alone. Maybe you are having a feeling of something is going to be end and some new thing it is going to start. So this is the relationship part. It is talking about, please review your things. You are having good stuff, might be you are not enjoying that. So better to go and enjoy some investment front or something. If you have a lot of money you wanted to invest, I think this is a time to review. Do not be in hurry, because this overall energy we had already discussed, it is not in your favor. So little care is required. Some expenses, as I told you, it may come. So some health issues may come, or as I told, someone may deliver a child, some child coming in the family I am seeing. So that is also a positive expense in that way, but expense is expense only, and you may feel little tight expenses wise. Someone in the family, the female energy may going to demand something. This is the relationship wise I'm just talking about. They may demand something and you have to look upon that, because only you are the source to complete that demand. So might be they need some comfort, they need something you have to buy for them, and they are dependent on you. So this kind of also message may come. So this is relationship wise. Somewhere I seeing someone has to give the gift, and definitely one female energy it is there between the two people. So could be some celebration or something, and you have to give the gift, or you are going to get the gift. This is also expenses wise I am seeing, but it is a kind of celebration. So this is also a very positive side of this card. Let's move to the career and finance. Career and finance, when you'll see the blue color card, the person is simply managing alone everything. He seems to be like tired, and he is still away from the house. So here the 10 of wands in terms of career and finance, it is talking about somewhere you are struggling with, somehow you are managing your time, somehow you are managing your finance and the career, the job front, everything, or the business. Little situation I am seeing hard for you. You are not able to do the thing which you wanted to do. But again, one positive side, what I feel, this hard time will go away. This is showing a completion, and something will be completed, and you will be able to start a new cycle. So here also something new it is coming. Say here also something completion it is talking about, and here also change, as I told you earlier. So for Aries, I think something major change is going to happen, and it is about to happen in the month of August. Could be end of the month it may happen. But yes, this career finance wise your condition seems to be very hard. But what the cards are suggesting, please seek help. Here also it is like please seek help, because you need money or you need help from the other people. Alone you may not be able to do. Someone, I think the career finance, I feel someone may be away from the house, and they are hardly, very hardly, they are just trying to reach the house, to their home, and the things are not happening. Might be since long you are just struggling to reach your hometown or your house or your home where you are staying permanently, and you are not able to do. But I think you are on the way to reach your home. So this is a positive part. Little more you have to reach, and you will be able to go there. So what I would suggest, just leave some of the vans here and then go. Then you will be able to carry everything, and you will be able to reach there. Though you are trying hard, later on you are going to get good result in your career and finance. So overall, if I will say, the Aries month seems to be managed relationship wise. Some good stuff it is happening, celebration it is happening, some new incoming I am seeing. Career and finance wise things are still, I would say, manageable, because everything is having positive and negative both. So though you are struggling, but this struggle is going to get you good result in the later future. So please use your brain, use your situation wisely, so that you can just reap more and more benefit from that. And overall energy here you had seen little hard, but you need help of these people. People are having a lot of money, they have help, you are not asking the help. So ask the help, and please enjoy your time. I hope Aries reading has resonated with you. If so, do let me know. Thank you so much.